sectioning and its isolation facility in relay electric traction system. In electrical system, earthing arrangement is must. At the same time, we need isolation arrangement for maintenance, operation, failure, breakdown to affect the required section only. For this, we use switches, and for sectioning, we use insulators, section insulators, insulated overlap, and neutral section. Traction switches in electrified area are two types. One is load switches and another is no load switches. Load switch. It is a switch which can be operated or interrupt no load to full load current also during faulty current. That means when a circuit is in closed condition, you can close or open it. Also, when there is a fault current, it will also allow this fault current, but the relay will trip this load switch. No load switches. It is a switch which can be operated or interrupt to make or break a circuit during no load condition, means when isolator is not carrying current, and the insulation is air insulation. The no load switches like triple pole isolator, double pole isolator, single pole isolator will be closed during charging before the related circuit breaker closing, and for discharging, if required, first open related circuit breaker, then no load isolator. Interrupter, bipolar isolator or double pole isolator can be operated when the interrupter is in open condition. How 25 kV traction power supply has been fed to overhead equipment. TPI, triple pole isolator for closing and opening of three-phase circuit in air. DPI, double pole isolator to make and break two-phase circuit in the air when there is no current flowing. SPI, single pole isolator. It make and breaks the single pole circuit when there is no current is flowing. When circuit is open, means circuit breaker is in open condition in the circuit, then only isolator can be closed or opened, means there should be no current through this isolator, only at that time it can be operated. We have seen that the isolator switches are no load switches, means it can be operated when circuit will remain open when the isolator is closed or opened, means during the operation of isolator no current will flow as it will open in air and the isolator blade may be burnt. So, to charge traction power circuit, first close isolators, then close the circuit breaker, as because circuit breaker has arc quenching media, and if current will flow during its operation, it will be extinguished immediately and will not harm the circuit breaker itself. So it can be closed from no load to full load and during faulty condition, but during faulty condition circuit breaker will open through relay. Every electrical system needs at least power supply, earthing, insulation, sectioning and load. TPI, triple pole isolator for closing and opening of three-phase circuit in air. DPI, double pole isolator to make and break two-phase circuit in the air when there is no current flowing. SPI, single pole isolator is in open condition, make and breaks the single circuit pole, then only isolator can be closed or opened when there is no current, there should be no current through this isolator, only at that time it can be operated.